I'm Dr. Nidhi Jain, consultant gynecologist, infertility specialist and laparoscopic surgeon, presently practicing at Greenleaf Hospital, Vesu. After completing my MBBS, I completed my Masters in Surgery Gynecology from NHL Municipal Medical College, VS General Hospital, Ahmedabad. After that, I worked as assistant professor at civil hospitals Ahmedabad and Baroda for 6 years. After that, I started with private practice. I am attached with Greenleaf Hospital since 2016. I have been trained in fetal ultrasonography and minimal access endoscopic surgery at a Foxy recognized center from Ahmedabad and Baroda. I am also trained in IVF and the treatment of infertility patients, both male and female, at IKD, Ahmedabad. I have special inclination for normal delivery and I try to give trial of normal delivery to each and every pregnant patient. I am specially interested in painless labor, epidural analgesia, because it improves the overall birth experience for the mother. I am doing all kind of laparoscopic and hysteroscopic gynec surgeries, including the excision of Chockley cyst, uterine septum dissection, hysterectomy, family planning surgery and many more. Greenleaf Hospital is a tertiary care center well equipped with instruments for all the advanced endoscopic surgeries and is having a good operation theatre. It is also having a very good and experienced team for care and support of the patient, pregnancy and delivery.